Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken zipper on overalls. First, carefully examine your zipper to understand the specific problem. Is the slider off track, or are some teeth damaged? Knowing the issue helps you choose the right repair method. You will need a few basic tools, such as small pliers, a needle, and some strong thread. Sometimes, a new zipper slider might be necessary for a successful repair. If your zipper slider is simply misaligned, you can often fix it with a pair of needle nose pliers. Gently squeeze the top and bottom plates of the slider together. Be careful not to apply too much pressure, as you could damage it further. The goal is to narrow the opening slightly so it can properly grip the zipper teeth. Once adjusted, slowly test the slider's movement along the track. When a zipper slider is broken or missing, replacement is often the best solution. First, you will need to remove the old stopper, usually located at the top or bottom of the zipper track. Then, carefully slide the new zipper slider onto the teeth from the end where the stopper was removed. Once the new slider is in place, sew a new stopper using strong thread to prevent it from coming off again. To keep your zippers running smoothly, lubrication is key. A simple graphite pencil or a small amount of wax can work wonders on a sticky zipper. Just rub it along the teeth. For slightly bent teeth, you can often use pliers to gently reshape them. However, for extensive damage, like many missing teeth or a complex zipper type, seeking professional repair might be the most effective and durable option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.